How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Shifting Lanes. My name is Hanson. Thank you so much for tuning in. And in this episode, I'm going to be unboxing a lot of Solo Spec Coupe parts for the 2013 Project BRZ. All right, let's do this the quick way. And there we are. Here are all the parts. Okay, so what is the SECA Solo Spec Coupe all about? Well, I have the rulebook right in front of me, and their objective is to provide an affordable autocross package that combines a streetable car and a capable autocross car using specified parts. So the whole idea is to make a series of performance modifications so that you can make a pretty sick autocross car. In order to run in the SSC class, the supplemental class, you need to be running 2013 to 2016 Subaru BRZ or Scion FRS. Now, I have one of those. Check. So if you look in the mandatory parts, it says parts specified below, tires, wheels, suspension must be used. Keyword must. All components and parts, hardware are required to be installed. So original equipment or equivalent components are not allowed. Also, required bump stops are provided in the iBox Pro Plus performance handling package. So all of that is down here, but let's go down this list and see what I currently have. So in the past video, you've seen me install the Falcon Azenis RT 615K Plus. That's in that size, so check. I also wrapped those tires around the NK TS10, which are 17 by 8. The offset for that is 45, so I'm good there because the minimum here is plus 40 or greater. I also have TPMS sensors installed. That's because I don't feel like looking at the yellow lights all the time. So, and since I'm going to be dailying this thing pretty often, I don't want to be bothered with those things. So anyway, it adds a little bit more weight, but I don't mind it. So the rest of the components fall under suspension. So it's the iBox Pro Plus Performance Handling Package, the SPC Performance Adjustable Alignment Kit, the Koni Sport Yellows with tamper-proof seal. So with the parts that I got today, I could say check, 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 and it feels good to check off the stuff that you need, because after all of this, after everything's installed, my car is going to be a Solo Spec Coupe class car. And that is just exciting to hear. The installment of those parts is going to be done in several parts, and I'm going to link to those episodes in this video once I have them up. And there we are. Here are all the parts that comes in the suspension kit for the Solo Spec Coupe. So starting from the lower left here, we've got the front, right, and left Koni Yellow Sport shocks. These have the tamper-proof seal on there, and then right next to that is the Koni Yellows for the rears. Here we have the SPC lower control arm, followed by the rear adjustable toe arms, also from SPC. Also, you get these EasyCam XR bolts. It says here torque to 97 pound-feet, do not over torque. Then everything in the back here is part of the iBox Pro Plus performance handling package. So you have the front sway bars, you have the rear sway bars, and you have the lowering springs, as well as the bump stops and the bushings to mount the sway bars onto the car. So there you have it. This is the rest of the Solo Spec Coupe kit. Once I have these installed in my car, I could compete at that level. So very excited about that. Very excited to have a great handling BRZ. So with these components, I'm going to get them installed by SJF Performance. I basically asked the question in the Facebook group, and everyone mentioned that I should talk to this guy, Steve Farkas. And so I reached out, and we are going to work together and have all these components installed, and he's agreed to let me document the whole thing. So I'm going to show you in the next following episodes basically a how to install all of these pieces together, and afterwards of course you have to get it all aligned. And when you want to do alignment work, you have to go to this guy, Steve Farkas. Apparently that's what everyone says in the Facebook group, so I cannot wait to put that episode together and so you guys could see how all of these parts get installed. So now let's put all of these components in the car now.